Hey guys, thank you so much for your patience. It has been a weird year altogether as we approach 2021. That being said, I will continue to make videos, but won't be out as much as I had originally planned. I've gone through some recent changes with work and with the family, so again, I thank you for your understanding. But for now, let's get into this 2v2 team deathmatch at Stryker Airsoft Park. Enjoy.
I don't think it's that bad. Okay.
You got any plans?
Okay, what are you are? Waiting for like a go.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm already out.
Did I get you?
No.
So lose.
My mags are working.
So
Did I get you, Rob?
look at these badges. STI. You got WeTech. You got this little thing there, and so does this.
Wait, what does that say? What does this one say?
Just Fits Tac Master. This one says Pro Grip WeTech. I wouldn't doubt WeTech's good, but like
They're both made in Taiwan.
they look the same,
By
guys.
the same person.
You heard it here. Very cool. But do they shoot? That sounds good.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds pretty good too. This is like
5 years old.
Yeah, that thing's hella old. I've never had any maintenance.
what?
Yeah.
Never
Ran the
cleaned.
shit out of it.
Oh,
Never
come
even
on.
cleaned it. Yeah.
I never even cleaned it. Okay. All right. I don't know if yeah, I got some ammo.
You do?
Look, guys, you can get flowers over here. It's pretty cool. Yeah.
Ready?
Right through the bushes. I was like, are we still playing? Why isn't anyone shooting? I got you through the bushes.
You know I was coming around.
Yeah, I had a feeling.
I didn't see you. I was like, where are we? I know. I was gonna come and meet you in the back.
Thank you for the content.
Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you see, consider subscribing for more content. Also, hit that notification bell icon so you can best be alerted when I make a future upload. Stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video.